Okay, guys, I'm going to go ahead and get started on essential skincare. And so we're going to talk about our skincare. We're going to make sure I was recording. And so some things, really think about things that you love about your skin, because we do also want to be grateful for whatever you're grateful for. Like you got your mother's eye color and you always loved that or whatever. So make sure when you're looking at yourself, you tell yourself some things that you love about your skin or your eyes or whatever. But also, what are a couple things that you would like to improve? And if you want to tell me, that's fine, and I'll help you find some things to improve. So some common skin issues are redness. And so things that you can do with this, they usually come from inflammation. And so some great products, Yarrow Palm is just incredibly healing. Correct X, it's going to be like that natural ointment. So that's great for boo-boos and everything. And then frankincense and helichrysum obviously are super healing and great for inflammation. So if you're just kind of spot treating, maybe think about something like that. Scars are super common. I think we've all had something that left a little scar behind. And so some things for scars are geranium, frankincense, yarrow, and neroli. Honestly, my favorite one for scars is immortelle, and it's probably going to be listed a little bit later as well, also for stretch marks. And it has a lot of the powerhouse oils in there. So frankincense, helichrysum, sandalwood, rose, lavender, and I feel like I'm forgetting something. And all of those together just work so beautifully to help heal with those scars and also stretch marks. Breakouts. So you've probably heard tea tree is great for breakouts. We do have a skincare line that is for breakout. So I'll talk about that a little bit later, but what they're showing a little bit of that there is the HD Clear Roller. And also rose is amazing for breakouts. Anything skin related, rose is going to be awesome for. But if you think it's a food sensitivity, kind of start deciding when it comes up. Is it when you eat tomatoes? Is it when you eat dairy? That kind of thing. And so I do think it talks about this a little bit later, but a probiotic is actually a great place to start for skin. I don't think people always think about that, but healthy skin is a sign of a healthy gut. So brown spots, maybe age spots. Yet again, Immortelle has a lot of these oils in there, so I tend to start with that. But by themselves, if you're spot treatment, frankincense is also great for wrinkles, so you can just do a little on your trouble areas for wrinkles, and then a few on your brown spots as well. And obviously aging. So I use the anti-aging skincare line, so we'll talk about that in a second. But Immortelle every single day on my face, frankincense every single day on my face, and then neroli and myrrh also absolutely amazing. So for tightness, to bring back that elasticity to our skin, to help with fine lines and wrinkles, and any of those age spots that are coming about. So it actually does start with gut health. It starts with nutrition. Everything starts with the nutrition. That's our basis. And so I absolutely always recommend being on our vitamins. They are incredible. They're whole food, so our body recognizes them as eating food. If you're eating the whole pack, if you're taking the hard packed cheap vitamins that like on a table, our bodies don't recognize that as food. They don't know what to do with that. And so it's going to go straight through your system. Sometimes it can even get stuck in your small or large intestine. It can create blockages and all sorts of trouble. It's actually hurting our water department. Vitamins are just stacking up like 3 feet high. They have to go in there with a wheelbarrow and clean it out. And the vitamins are still whole and they still have the label on them. Guys, that's throwing money down the toilet. It's flushing money down the drain. And it can actually hurt your body. So just throw those away. Those are not good for you. It's better to take nothing than to take that, because you can hurt yourself. So we have our 3-pack, the VM, vitamins and minerals, the omegas, that's going to be your fatty acids, and the alpha serous is your superfood blend. Now, I just now started taking this Yarrow Palm. And the reason I started taking it is because it's high in zinc and vitamin C. And those are two things that we need to help ourselves support our immune system. especially in this day and age. We're trying not to catch things from other people, but it's actually amazing for the skin and the nails and hair. So I will not go off of this product. I think I've been on it about 60 days now, and I love, love, love the Yarrow Palm product. Terrazyme, anything is going to, that helps you digest food and keep the good stuff and get rid of the bad stuff, is going to be great for your skin. So it's going to reduce those allergies and those reactions that you're having to food that you may be eating. And then when you take it on an empty stomach, it also helps heal the body. Probiotic, absolutely. Skin health is related to gut health. Emotional health is gut health. Immune support is gut health. It all comes back to that gut. So we all should be taking a probiotic every day. And ours is amazing. So a lot of probiotics, they have a billion, gajillion cultures. Guys, they do that because they know that the stomach acid is going to kill it. And it's never going to get to the small and large intestine. So they're hoping that if they just cram it packed, a couple of those will get to the small and large intestine, but they don't. So ours is absolutely double encapsulated. And the first one opens in the gut, and the second one doesn't even open until the small and large intestine. So that helps you make sure that you're getting bacteria all the way into the small and large intestine, and it's not just dying in the gut. And obviously we should be drinking half our body weight in ounces in water. Man, I'm drinking a lot of water right now. If you just watch my Facebook Live, I've got stuff going on. Make sure nobody's hopping in. Okay. So the first skincare line is Virage. A lot of my friends, this is their favorite. So I think all of this is about $85. So you can see there's a toner, there's a serum, there's a moisturizer, and then a cleanser. And so what I recommend to people is just try one of them and then try the other one, and then you'll know which one is your favorite. This is the acne line. You can see there's a cleanser, a moisturizer, and then a spot treatment. And this one together, I'm pretty sure is $46. I know you have never seen a skincare line that's $46. And then this is the one that I use. And it comes in a kit. It doesn't have all of this in the original kit, but the original kit I think is $100 for like 4 or 5 products. And then you can choose to add 2 or 3 things to it. But when you add to it, it makes them cheaper. So like, I think normally this would be like $35, but when you add it to the kit, it goes down to $20. And so this is the skincare I use, but try them. I say try them both and see which one you like. Because people tend to have a favorite. And so just kind of a suggestion. So we all know that LRP is the cheapest way to get our oils because they're 25% off and we get percentages back. And so when I order skincare, I get 30% back to spend on whatever I want. So if I'm spending $100 on skincare, I'm getting $30 back to spend on whatever, oils or soap or body wash or toothpaste. And I'm getting a free product of the month. So this is just kind of showing you a breakdown of how you could choose to do this and get extra freebies. When you do LRP, all the shipping comes back in points as well. So shipping is free. And we always, always, always have a free oil at 125 PV for LRP. And sometimes we even have one at 200. So right now, Immortelle, which I've been talking about a lot. So this is June 2020. Right now, Immortelle is free with a 200 product value order. And as I tell you guys all the time, there's 3 types of people. So there are people who always want to just use their oils. They just want to use the shampoo or the skincare, and they want to get that really great price. They're non-toxic and earn points back every single month and get free oils every single month. And that's 85% of doTERRA does not want to do this as a business. And we love our customers. So like, we will never press you to do anything. There's about 10% who like to share, just like with their mom, sister, best friend, and get enough people to fall in love with the products that they get their oils paid for. And then there's 5% like me who actually want to do this as a business. So if you want to be any of those, just let me know and I'm here to support you. So basically, when you do this as a business, you just help people fall in love with the products, help educate them so they know how to use the products, and they order when they want to. And so in sales, you make something, you sell something, you get it. you get money. You make something, you get something. And with us, we build a pop line, so we just turn on that water. So I've been full-time with doTERRA for a couple of years. I have that consistent baseline income that's always there every single month, and I can choose to work a little bit harder each month and get that bigger baseline, or maybe just make some extra money that month. But if you have any questions about that, let me know. So the way you make money is you let somebody try an essential oil. You teach a class basically like I just did. You enroll them, and then you make sure they know about oils. And that's my job. All right. It's the best job in the whole world. If you have any questions, just let me know, and I'll talk to you guys soon. All right. Bye.